How to draw in less than 5 minutes an eye like this. First, draw a circle about 2 times larger than you want your eye to be. Then, draw a line in the center of the circle. Everything doesn't have to be exactly right, but try it. Draw an arc over the line. This is the top of your eye. Then, draw an arc under the line. This is the bottom of your eye. Make a smallest circle in it. Make for the pupil a small circle in the middle. Now, make a line that runs parallel to the first circle for an eyelid. Make a little line under the curved line. Make lines for the other eyelids. Now create the eyelashes with loose lines. Now erase the sketch and trace the lines with a fineliner. Make small lines around the pupil in the eye. Make more lines between the others. Make shadows if you want. Now your eye is done. I hope you like it!